It's a cloudy day, but you know what? It feels so good. So what I'm going to do for you guys today is that I ordered these plants right here. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that a gorgeous plant? And that plant is called a hardy geranium, and it's called Splish Splash, Splish Splash. So they came in this bag right here, and they are a bare root. So let me show you what they look like. And I think 1, 2, 3, 4 came in a pack. But this is what they look like. This is a bare root plant right here. This is where the roots are, and the rhizome part is up at the top. So this is the part we'll keep above the dirt, and this is the part we will put in the dirt. So I have 4 of these. So when I saw these flowers, I said, oh, I have to try them because they just look so gorgeous. And I'm putting them in this pot because I'm not ready for them to go into my landscape, because I haven't dug out the areas, defining my areas where they need to go, because, you know, I've been busy. So I'm just going to stick them in this pot to give them some time to, you know, get rooted. If they go into shock, all that stuff will be gone. They'll be ready. So when it's their time to shine, they'll be like, okay, Renee, we are ready to go in our spot that's going to make it beautiful. But I'm like, oh my gosh. And these are hardy. And it says these are perennials. So they will come back year after year, and you're supposed to put them in the light exposure is full sun to partial shade, and their hardiness is to zone 3 through 8. So I'm in 7B, so that's perfect for me. And I have to put them, spacing is 12 inches apart, which would be fine in this pot until I can put them up in the landscaping. And then it says bloom time is early and midsummer, so I will have beauty at the beginning of spring and also right at the beginning of summer, which I think is amazing. And this is what they say it's supposed to look like out of the box. That's what they're supposed to look like out of the box. So do they look like the same as out of the box? I think so. And this company is really good on getting their product to you. So let me show you how I'm going to go ahead and plant these real quick. So I've already got the dirt in there. I've already amended it. I'm going to put some of this bone meal in here just to give it a little extra boost. Stir it around real quick. Throw some extra dirt in here. Smooth that out. And then I'm just going to make some holes. And Miss Renee is just going to stick the root side in. Put them in there. And then I'm just going to cover it up and make sure their heads are sticking out. Same thing. Dig a hole, because there are only 4 of them. Root side in, cover it up. And then after I get them all in, it's supposed to rain today. I'll give them a little drink of water, but I won't give them a whole lot of water, because Mother Nature's water, I always say, is the miracle water. So I'm just going to stick that in there, get all the little roots down in there, and tuck them in until I'm ready to put them in my landscaping. Got 1 more to go. Stick that in there. Put them in there. Alright guys, they are in there, tucked in there nicely. Heads are popping up so they don't get covered. And that is all that you do. See? 4 beautiful geraniums. Let me show you the picture again. And these are called hardy geraniums, Splish Splash. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And I will see you in the next video. Alright guys, take care.